All right, good evening, distinguished parent. We are live now, and then this is going to be one of the fastest presentation that you are going to be attending. We just want you to see what we'll be hoping our friends and then kids and teens at Dataforte. All right. So I want to officially welcome you all to Dataforte. And then Dataforte is a tech institution both in training and then in an organization firm with our headquarters in Adiola Odeku, Victoria Island, number 44. All right. And then we have branches across Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and different cities outside Nigeria. All right. So both global and then physically. And then we organize something called Sparked by Dataforte. All right. So Sparked by Dataforte is where we make sure that kids and teens are engaged during summer so that there is something that they are doing that is engaging them. I believe that they need to go into tech, little coding here and there will actually go a long way to make sure that they actually maximize their summer and they gain something out of it. And that is why we organize our Spark and then to make sure that this kid gets something so beautiful at the end of this summer. And I want you to know that this is actually the best place for them to get everything they are going to need during summer. All right. So let me quickly share you a presentation slide. 10 minutes, we are out of here because I'm very time conscious. All right. And then the first thing is give them, we said, welcome to Spark by Dataforte. And then what we do here is give children more than a summer holiday. We give them future intake, all right? Because everybody is talking about tech, AI. Every kids are now doing it. Children are doing it. Teenagers are doing it. So it is not age limited. All right. So this is where Nigerians Dataforte is Spark by Dataforte is Nigerian premium summer tech experience for kids and teens between the age of 5 to 17. All right. Kids can learn online or any of our tech hub in Lagos and Abuja. All right. And then every child learn the skill they use Google that they are used to. They use Apple this summer. All right. Tech is the new literacy and it's not optional. It is very, very essential. So far, they can handle a phone and they know what they can press in phone. That is why we start from 5. So this summer break is not another break to keep them engaged in any academic activities. I don't believe it, that this is time to let them go outside academics. That is extra school curriculum so that they can, and tech is actually the best option. All right. So what is Spark by Dataforte is a premium summer program that transforms screen time into skill time. All right. It is just beyond learning every time, going through your phone every time as a kid. They can also be going through their phone, their mom's, dad's phone, mom's phone, and transform it into a skill. All right. We designed it to help kids explore technology in a safe and engaging environment. So trust us that your kid is safe, all right, with what they will be exposed to. That is why I want to show you, all right, before going ahead with the registration. And this is hosted by Dataforte, all right. Spark is hosted by Dataforte. That is African fastest growing tech education brand, all right. So what they are going to learn how to build a website. If you're a business owner, you are looking at any other thing, you need a website. Imagine your children building the website for you at no cost. All right. So, or app before school resumes. I can guarantee you that they will be able to build a website app before school resumes. They will learn coding, HTML, CSS, Python, and Scratch. All right. Game design. They are going to learn animation, UI, UX, AI awareness, robotic, and tech exploration. And the age structure is we have what we call little coders. Little coders are 5 to 8. That is how organized we are at Dataforte. We don't mix students together, children to kids together, because we understand the fact that they do not learn at the same pace. So we have little coder which are from age 5 to age 8. What they are going to be learning is Scratch and then animation games. All right. These animation games, they are going to be the one to design and build it, all right, for themselves. All right. So it is just like playing a games, but they are building, they are innovating at the same time. And then we have junior innovators from 9 to 12. all right? That is Python and web design. So what they are doing at that age is they are working on Python to design web. They are the one that are going to design the website, all right? Then we have teenagers, which is teen techies, all right? They are the one that are building app, and we are introducing them to AI. So it is better we catch them young before all these people that are into cyber, that have actually gone all over the world to take advantage of little children. All right. So that is how we do it at the Spark by Dataforte. Teen techies between the age of 13 to 17. And where they will learn virtually, all right, they will learn virtually from home with live instructors, all right, so, or they learn in our Lagos and Abuja, all right. We have office in Port Harcourt, but it's not structured for children learning, so we don't want to harm their education. So aside from Lagos and Abuja, that is where they are going to be learning physically. Anywhere all over the world will be virtually aside. So if they want to, they can be in Lagos and learn virtually too as well. So it is secure. Like I said, we prioritize the children's safety, and then inspiring tech spaces built for kids. And how they are going to learn, they are going to learn with live classes, projects. You are going to supervise some of the projects. We carry parents along, mentorship, and then the same global certification that we have at Dataforte, we also issue them certification of completion. All right, so they have the certification at the end of their program. So every class ends with a project they will be proud to show. So we don't teach any of our kids or our teens at Spark theory. We teach them practical. They build projects. They will be intentional. Just imagine you just go back from work. They came and meet you with their tablet. Daddy, mommy, this is what I built at the end of today. Right? This is how it all gets started. All right, showcase day. So we have something that we call showcase day, and then community spotlight. All right, so this on the showcase days, at the end of their program, they are going to showcase what they learn with their parents alongside with them virtually on the screen, just like I am now, showcasing what they learn, how they built it, and we're going to score them, issue them their certification. All right. All right, and then we have global and dictated certificate, tech portfolio. After they completed their project, they are not going to throw away the project. We are going to pile up their project, all right, and build a portfolio for them to use. Now they gain confidence. They don't resume like a normal student at the end of the summer break. They are resuming with so much confidence, so much creativity, checking the time so that I know that I did not pass my time, and then collaboration, and they have exposure to industry tools. They have leverage over their other friends and other mates, because now they are exposed to different industry tools for their good. All right, so I've explained where and then how. So this is how it's going to start. We are starting on the 28th of July to the 10th of August. All right, that is batch one. All right, then we have second batch two, starting from the 12th of August to 24th of August, and we have the last batch starting from 26th of August to September 6th. So batch one, batch two, batch three. So you need to pick any batch that goes well with you. Maybe you are traveling for summer, you need to quickly let them catch up so that they can enjoy their vacation. You can choose any of these that goes well with you, all right, for your kids. And another advantage is that at the end, you can, maybe you don't have any you just want them to keep them engaged throughout the break time, throughout the summer period. You can engage them on the 24th. They can attend first batch, second batch, third batch. Be rest assured that they are going to learn different things through the batch one and batch two and batch three. All right, so they are going to learn this from the comfort of their house, staying in their house, and then they are going to do this, building apps, making you proud at the end of the, who knows, the next Tesla, the next big multinational companies might come out of this. So if you have any questions, because we at Dataforte Spark team are actually giving out scholarship to students tonight, all right, few number of students, and then they are going to learn. It's like live classes. If you have any question as regarding what I said, I said it's a very short presentation. Please kindly put it in the comment section before I go ahead with the scholarship pricing. All right. So why just putting the comment and your question in the post a comment section, just put a comment. All right. So let me go ahead Parent Trust Pack because we've trained over 1,000 kids, all right? And then with our certified instructor and real mentors, these are not people that have the knowledge but don't know how to teach. No, these are people that have the knowledge and they know how to teach. We teach them in a safe, all right, in a structured and a premium experience, all right. If you're in Lagos, you want to come for physical, you want to bring them for physical classes. They are coming to Victoria Island, that's the hub of Lagos, all right. They are coming to Victoria Island to come and learn. Victoria Island, Lagos. All right. So if it's in Abuja, in the center of Abuja, we say zone 5. All right. We say zone 5. That is where they will be coming to come and learn. So it's a safe, structured, and premium experience. We have Mrs. Abiola in Lekki, all right, that brought a student. Yes. So their daughter built our first website. Yes, they are very upside. This man said, my son is obsessed with Python. Of course, it is not snake. All right, all right. It's the software that they'll be working with in a good way. All right. So registration for students will be giving out scholarship tonight for limited number of students live here, and then after then we show you how you can then get registered. So globally recognized certificate, read tech portfolios for older kids, all right, read tech portfolio for older kids, all right. Then why Dataforte location across Nigeria and Ghana? Please put your question in the comment section and I'm going to answer them correctly. AI powered learning tools. Everybody is using AI now. So they are going to be learning and they are learning from African fastest growing tech institute. We are not just building the future, we are teaching them tech. We build leaders, creators, and thinkers. So we want to ignite your child future. So let me answer the question before I give out my school. Somebody said, okay, our office in Lagos is in, I'm going to put in the comment section, number 44, Adeola Odeku, Victoria Island, Lagos. All right. My question is, will there be a live class? Because yes, it is a live class. It's not virtual. We are not giving them video to go and watch. So we are giving them live class. Limited number of students in each classes. All right, limited number of students in each class so that they can be carried along. Trust me, is the process. It is so seamless, bringing modern day technology to teach your kids. All right. Yeah, distraction will be much. All right. So they can stay in their class, they can stay at home, and we'll be teaching them at home, or they come if they are in Lagos or in Abuja, and then coming to Victoria Island is not going to be an issue. All right, so that is that. Yes, my son is 4 and a half. You already know his way around the phone. Can you register for him since you're hidden? So we can register for him. We are going to put him under the first category. All right, we are going to put him under the first category. Please, will the class be an interactive setting? Yes, very, very interactive. That's why we limited the number of students. So the number of students that can attend each class is 10 students. 10 students are the number of students that, so that their instructor can get to know their name. So it's not as if we have plenty students, so that we attend the class. So we are almost at 12 minutes now, and I don't want to waste your time. So if you have questions, put it on the comment section. So we are giving out scholarship for the first 20 students to ninth, 20 kids to ninth at the rate of 38,500. Now, imagine what they will be learning. They will be learning Scratch. They will be learning. I want to show you how Scratch works, but Matt, sorry. I want to show you how Scratch work. I want to show you how Scratch work, but the time has actually been limited, and I don't want to go beyond time because we are very time conscious. So they will be learning Scratch, they will be learning Tinker. That is like gaming for our kids, little coder between the age of 5. So they will be learning Scratch, then code.org. They will also be learning that as well. They will also be learning Replit. All right, Replit is an online IDE that supports Python. So we are teaching them with something friendly and interactive. All right, so some will be learning Canva to design. All right, some will be learning Figma. These are for older things and AI. All right, so these are what they were going to be learning with. All right, so if you have any question, please put it in the comment section. We are already 40 minutes now. We have one more minute before I give out my scholarship. So if you have question, please comment in the comment section. And the scholarship is, instead of paying, because normal pricing is 100,000 for per batch for each student, but we are giving, Spark is giving 20 students this night 38,500. So there's going to be a link, and then you fill the form. After you fill the form, you make the payment, and after it is complete, then the price returns back to the original price. That is for the regular pricing. Yes, Olabisi Babalola, your son is good to go. 5 going to is good to go. That's our junior coder. All right. So we already simplified them into two. So we are going to put a link out. After we put the link out, they register, they make payment for 38,500 naira. So once 38,500 naira is gone, that means the offer is actually out. All right. So that means that the price returns back to the original pricing. And then we have something that we call premium. All right. Premium is going for, premium is when they are doing all the batches, they are coming physically to the off, because for the 38.5 is for virtual, the interactive. Like when I mean virtual is not online videos to go and watch. Oh. Virtual is just like you are seeing me, we bring them on board too, so that they will be talking to their instructor. Then, so it's not like online, it is virtual class, interactive class. And we also have the one that has to bringing them to the office to come and learn. That is for physical activities that they are going to be learning. It is actually going for 150,000. All right. So they will be getting, they will even, but this is actually for teens, bringing them to the office. This is for the age between 10 to 17. All right. 10 to 17. We're in Victoria Island, Lagos. We are in Abuja, Victoria Island, Abuja. So that is coming to the office, interact, and they are going, aside from that, aside from coming to the office, they are going to be doing different interactive class to keep them throughout the day that they have their class. And all right, we understand the transportation issue, and trust me, it's going to be very, very, I think twice in a week or 3 times, just to keep them engaged. And for those days, the days that they will not be coming, they are going to be engaged. All right. And for students that are doing virtual, just like me, see me interacting, all right, is going to be very, 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 very inter. See, this is the best place. Those that have brought in their children to Dataforte can tell you that this is the best place. We are located in VI Lagos, central of Abuja. All right. And then we have our Port Harcourt office, but our Port Harcourt office is not for kids. All right, it's for adults. It's not for kids. So we do not want anything. When I mean it's not for kids, it's like a boardroom where classes is happening. Not like this. So there's no arrangement for kids there. But for our Lagos and our Port Harcourt, so there is for our Lagos and Abuja, there is an arrangement for kids. So we are going to be dropping the link for registration. My time has passed. I'm going to be dropping the link for registration tonight. And after dropping the link for registration, you can get in at 38,500 for virtual, then 150 for one that has to do with premium physical, and then has to do with everything they are going to learn inclusive. So they are learning what 38,000 students on scholarship are learning. They're also learning some advanced technologies. So that is why it's from the age of 10 to 15. Advanced technology like be using AI, all right, to talk, using AI for communications, using AI in tech, and these are what they will be learning, general curriculum. So if you have any more questions, I'm going to drop a link in the group for payment and registration, because it already begins already, and I want you to be part of this scholarship opportunity. So in the presence of any question, we are going to make the group available for questioning and answering. All right, thank you very much. Cheers.